Hello everybody! Do you want to make a video like this one? Don't worry about that, because in this video I'm gonna show you how to make video from photos. For this, first of all you have to download an app from Play Store. So, I'm gonna open my Play Store. After that you have to search Inshot. Tap on this app. Now all you need to do, just install it. After install it, then tap on Open. After that, tap on Video. Then tap on New. From here you gotta select your photos. After select your photos, then tap on the check mark button. Now tap on the canvas button. From here, you can choose your video size. If you want to upload this video on social media, then select the third option. Then tap on check mark button. Now change the duration of each photo. After that, tap on music button to add a sound. Then tap on tracks. Tap on my music. And then here you will get a search bar. Use this search bar to search your music name. Then tap on the music. Next to the music, you will see an option called Use. Tap on it. That music has been imported to the app. Our video is done, but I'm not gonna play it because of music copyright issue. To export your video, tap on the Save button at the upper right corner. Tap on Save again. This video has been saved in my mobile gallery. Thanks for watching the full video.